Creating Matatu graffiti, often called Matatu art or pimping, is a multi-step process that combines industrial craftsmanship with high-end street art. These moving museums are designed to attract passengers through visual dominance. Daily Nation +1. The creation process. Chassis preparation. The process often begins at a garage where a new truck chassis is stripped and rebuilt with custom metal panels. Workers weld the skeleton to create a smooth, expansive canvas for the artist. Surface priming. The body is sanded and primed to ensure the paint adheres correctly and can withstand the harsh conditions of Nairobi's roads. The artistry, airbrushing and spraying. Tools. Artists primarily use airbrushes and industrial spray guns for fine details and large-scale coverage. Themes. Designs are heavily influenced by pop culture, featuring portraits of global icons, e.g. Nelson Mandela, Barack Obama. Hip-hop stars, e.g. Tupac, Eminem. And trending movies or slogans. Execution. A basic design can take about a week, while complex, full-body murals can take up to 4 months. One-way vision film, to maintain visibility for the driver and passengers. Windows and windscreens are often covered with perforated vinyl. One-way vision film. This material looks like a solid image from the outside, but allows people inside to see out clearly through tiny holes. Finishing touches. Large stickers and decals are often layered over the paint for sharp text or intricate logos. www.noralinkawaja.com +5. Costs and industry. Price tag. Graffiti art alone costs between 20,000 shillings, $200, and 250,000 shillings, $2,500 per vehicle, depending on the complexity. Key artists, pioneers like Moha Graphics, Muhammad Ali, transformed the industry from small stickers in the 1990s to the full-body nganya culture scene today. Would you like to know about the specific regulations the National Transport and Safety Authority, NTSA, has on these designs? Subscribe for more iconic Matatu updates.